Okay, so we have cut the slots in this neck. Looks pretty good. Okay, next I will shape the heel area, get that carved. That area is very difficult to do once you've glued the neck to the rest of the ukulele, so you like to have that ready before you glue those parts together. I want to do a little bit of a weight reduction cut to this, so I'll take out a little bit of, sculpt out that.